Here we have the Thomann pressure washer. We charged up the battery on it. There's the battery pack right in the handle. And this is the pressure washer. There's an extension that goes with it right there, but we're not using the extension. It can also double as a car battery jumper, so there's the jumper cables for it. Here is the device, and I filled it up with a little bit of soap. Now, the interesting thing about this power washer is that you don't put it, attach it to any hose. You actually take the end of this hose that's hooked on to the power washer. Right there, you can see it hooked on. It's quite a long hose. And you take the end and you put it in your power source, which is a bucket of water, which I had no idea. So you might want to make sure that while you're dragging the bucket around that you don't accidentally pull it out of the bucket. So it's got some settings on the front of it for the sprayer part. So right here that you can turn those settings to have different amounts of spray coming out of it. So we have a car right here, and we're going to test this puppy right on this car. So here we go, testing and seeing how effective this power washer is. Some people say that they use this power washer when they don't have a water source, such as a hose, which we do have a hose, so not sure what that is, but we're attempting to start it right now. Takes a minute for it to pump the water through the hose, so that's why now it's coming out. So there's the power washer. Here's the effectiveness of it. We're going to try it with a few different settings on it. So it looks like you have to keep restarting it, kind of, that it won't stay constantly on, or do you
maybe I let go of the trigger.
Oh, I see. Can you come back this way so we can get... Okay, and the reviews that I read online, there's the soap. The reviews I read online said that it only worked for about a half hour, but right now it appears to be working pretty good, and this does seem like it would be an excellent solution for someone who doesn't have a power source. You just have to be real careful that you don't leave the bucket of water behind, which is kind of like what we're doing, because we're forgetting that this is a single power source, or a water source, not coming out of our hose where we just have to pay attention to the hose that's hooked to the house. But there we go. That's
you gotta keep it upright.
You got to keep it upright?
Yeah, upright.
And you have to keep, what, the front button on? Here's stronger pressure. Here's rinsing it off. All the soap already came out of it there. And here we're doing a rinse job. So there's your power washer in action.
Yeah,